chicken pasta. To start, bring a pot of water to boil and add 300 grams of penne pasta. Cook for 10 minutes until soft. Next, we're going to dice 2 large chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. Place the chicken into a bowl and season with salt and pepper. Thoroughly mix, then place down a large pan. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then add the chicken. Cook for 8 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Remove from heat and set aside for later. Now, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Cook until fragrant. Add 3 tablespoons of flour to make a paste. Add 2 cups chicken stock, 1 cup heavy cream, and 1 cup Parmesan cheese. Whisk until combined. Add 1 cup sun-dried tomatoes, 2 teaspoons mixed Italian herbs, and 1 teaspoon paprika. Thoroughly mix until combined. Then simmer for 5 minutes until it thickens. It should look just like this. Now, simply add the chicken and the pasta, thoroughly mix together. And garnish with fresh basil. Now, all that's left to do is serve and enjoy. Cooked pasta, diced chicken, salt, pepper, mix, oil, cooked chicken, butter, garlic, flour, salt, cream, cheese, whisk, tomato, herbs, paprika, whisk, chicken, pasta, mix, basil, serve, and enjoy. Serve and enjoy. Cooked pasta, diced chicken, pepper, oil, cooked chicken, flour, salt, cream, cheese, tomatoes, paprika, chicken, pasta, basil. Serve and enjoy. Serve and enjoy. Serve and enjoy.